Welcome to Kiddo beez.
Choo-choo train, let pray, learning letters all the way.
Hop aboard, come sing with me. It's the ABC adventure. Whee!
Says near the apple tree. Apples fall down, 1, 2, 3. B says buck, by a bouncing ball.
It rolls and rolls past the wall.
C says coo, and starts to chase a cat and car in a happy race. D says duh, on the grassy ground. Beats a big drum with a bouncy sound. E's A, by an elephant's side. Its floppy ears flap big and wide. F says F, near a fox so bright. Fireflies twinkle in the night. G says G, with a goat so sweet, munching hay and stomping feet. H says huh, as balloons fly high. The wind blows hats into the sky. I says E, in the icy snow. By the igloo, watch it glow. Woo! J says juggling jelly fun. Wiggly cubes for everyone. K says coo, with a kite in flight, looping and twirling like pure delight. L says ooh, with a lullaby tune. Stars are sparkling, so is the moon. Says with a mug of milk, a mooing cow with fur like silk. And says in the nighttime trees, fireflies dance in the cool breeze. O says by the ocean shore, an octopus waves arms, 1, 2 more. P says puh, with popcorn pop, kids catch pieces that never stop. Q says cool, like a royal queen, wearing a crown that sparkles and gleams. R says like a roaring beast, a jungle lion joins the feast. S says sliding through sand, a silly snake waves from the land. T says coo, in a toy-filled town, rides a truck that zooms around. U says with an umbrella wide, raindrops fall as the kids hide. U says voo, on the valley green, plays a violin, what a scene. W says woo, on a wavy ride, surfing whale splashes by the side. X says kicks by the treasure chest, gold and jewels shine the best. Y says yeah, with the yo-yo spin, yellow sunflowers sway in the wind. You say
Subscribe now for more fun videos.